What's up, guys? So here I have the new winner chicken dinner. We have a total of 10. We have ticket 99 through 108. It's a cute little ticket, something different, just I like. Okay, the odds on this are 1 in every 4.98. So hopefully we have 2 winners in here, but we'll see. We shall see. I kind of like this. I think it's easier, this format, but yeah, whatever. So we have to match one of our numbers to the winning number. If we get the little egg symbol, we have double our prize. So let's get going. On number 12. 12 or an egg. We can get either one. Next one, 20. Ooh, we got a winner chicken dinner. Let's see. For $1. $1. Number 4. Nope, no number 4. Number 17. I want to find the egg. Give me the egg. I want to see what the little egg looks like. Ugh. Just $1 in the first 5. Here we go with the next 5. We all hear my kid in the background. He's playing Fortnite. That's what's going on there. All right, we have an 18 for $2. All right. Oh, wait. Next one. 16. Nope. We have a matching number 1 for $3. All right. So we can get back-to-back winners on this one. Nope. Last one, guys. Ticket 108. Give me a little egg. All right, we got a win. Well, I already scratched off how much it is. All right. We have $3. So we won 3. That's 6, 7, 8. And $9. So we got back 9 out of our 10. That's not bad. It's not a winning session, but it's not that much of a losing session either. So not bad. I like these tickets. Probably be playing these off camera, but hope you guys like them. Go get you some. Remember, guys, check your tickets and good luck.